Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Go to your Google Maps, then hit on your profile icon. Now you have to hit on your profile and all your photos will be visible over here. Select the photo you want to delete. Once the photo will be open, here you will see delete option. Hit on delete and confirm. That's it guys. Your photo has been deleted from Google Maps. This is how to delete photos on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.